Okay, so what I wanted to chat with you about is how easy it is to use a Google site to create your own virtual calming room. And virtual calming rooms are super popular, definitely because kiddos are on their devices sometimes remotely, and that's a way to reach them. Also, it's a way for you to regulate maybe individual students needing the virtual calming room while other students are doing other activities. But the accessibility and the editability of you being able to create the virtual classroom and add to it, it's kind of living, breathing type of a website where you're adding things to it, is really awesome. So you're going to go into your Google Drive and click the plus button for new. And then you're going to look over here. There's so many different choices of things that you can do. And you can click on a new Google Sites. And when you click on that, it will give you a blank template to kind of start your virtual calming room. I'm going to show you mine at my school that we're obviously working on continuously and doing different things with. So this is our virtual calming room. We have some different categories. We have sounds and music, visual relaxation, breathing activities, different resources, apps, a specific tab just for growth mindset, and trusted adult information. So all of that is found in our virtual calming room. And you can see there's tabs up here at the top to go and click on these different areas. And so the students are able to navigate that as well. Now, in creating this, these images are literally just different clip art to kind of give that calming sense. And then all of these tabs, you can see that little thing comes up and it says link. So all of the headings that I named, I linked to the pages that I created to go with these. So you can click on this little edit this page button over here. And now it gives it to you in the format for editing. So I can change what some of these things say, just like text boxes. I could change out my images if I want to. Lots of different things. I'm going to go ahead and go to my pages because I have all these different pages. I created a page with just apps, just resources. I'm going to go to the one that says visual relaxation and show you how easy it is to add some of these visual relaxation ones. So this is my visual relaxation page within my virtual calming room site. And all of these are embedded YouTube videos that give different virtual calming activities. So I just keep adding and adding. A lot of times I add based on what the kids ask me for. You can see that some of these I haven't even named different things. You know, this one says visually calming, cosmically calming. And then as we started adding more and more, I wasn't even naming them. I just was adding them on to kind of meet the needs of some of my friends. So these are really awesome. I will give you an example. I had a friend ask me for more jellyfish, calming jellyfish. So I would then just go to YouTube. And when I'm in YouTube, I'm going to say calming jellyfish video. And I get lots of different choices. Ooh, super fun. Look at that one. And when I have that one, I go ahead and click on it. Of course, I'm going to kind of check it out and make sure it's something that I'm really, really into. Ashley. And I like that one. So I'm going to go to my share button. And here's my little trick to make this not have any pop-ups like just happened to us. I'm going to go to my embed screen. And all I want to copy and paste is between these controls right here where the quotation marks are. This is all I want. I just want that so I don't have any commercials and things pop up. Now I'm going to go back to my virtual calming room and I'm going to insert some more sort of brackets, I guess you could say, like images. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to say that I want this to actually be a YouTube video. So I click on it, and now remember how I copied and pasted that URL? Now it's right there, and I'm going to search for it. And look, there's the best jellyfish aquarium for relaxation. Yep, that's the one I want. So I'm going to select it, and it pops it right in. How easy is that? So you can see after I added that one, which I'm so glad that was so easy to do, maybe I want to go back and get another one, and I really like this pink one as well. So again, I'm going to go to my share button down here, and I'm going to go to embed, and I only want what's between these parentheses here. I don't want a bunch of commercials. Copy. I'm doing a keyboard shortcut to copy. I did Control C, and then I'm going to go back here to my add button, and it's going to ask me if I want a YouTube video, and I'm going to click that in there. Now I'm putting that new URL in there, and boom, there's my soothing jellyfish again. Woohoo! We're going to add that in. Now we've just added some new content to our site, so we've got some of these great things in here. And I want to go ahead and publish this. So up here is my publish button. I'm going to click publish, and it shows me my draft that I had, what is currently published. So it's kind of updating everything and showing me what changes I made in case I have regrets, I guess, and I want to fix it. But I'm saying, no, I really like this new updated version. So I'm going to click publish. And now it is published. What I just added in is actually published. If I scroll down, I want to view my published site. So what I just made upgrades to, now I'm going to view my actual published site. And look, there it is. There's my visual relaxation page within my virtual calming room. And I've added my 2 new jellyfish videos. And students are able to access this just by having the Google Sites address that you create for your school or for your classroom. And they can go on and click to access these videos, or what other, the breathing exercises, all the different things. Like I said, we have even sounds and music. So we are a faith-based school. So we actually have some praise and worship music and different things in our sounds and music section. But all these different categories can be whatever you choose. And again, super duper easy to edit.